Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I found a device that I could not pass up on it without buying it and sharing it with you. I didn't know this existed, and now I'm almost falling in love with this device. This is such a novelty thing to me. I remember this phone. That's why it's a novelty now, like a re-novelty, I guess. If you're too young, you might have seen this in TV. But if you're old enough, you remember picking this one up and talking to people, and how nice it felt to put this earpiece at your ear and talk to this other piece right here. It is something that really brings back great memories and good times. Really good times that you only had the phone when you needed it. Not just have a phone because you have it and you have to scroll on it. No, you just picked it up, you spoke, you had trouble talking, or you just wanted to hang up, put it down, and you are done with the phone call and go ahead with the rest of your day. Here, this piece is a plastic piece. It's almost like a headphone, but it has a hangout button, has a light right here, has volume up and down, and for the life of me, I have no idea what company makes it, so obviously, I'm not sponsored by this company. Whoever made it, it's a great idea. And yes, it goes to a 3.5mm jack, which is featured today. Even though it used to be a standard feature on all phones, I am lucky enough to have two fully working phones that both of them have that extraordinary feature, a headphone jack. Wow, my surprise, my shock. So how that works, you simply, let me unlock this one here, and you simply connect it to the headphone jack here on the bottom. Here, boom, that's all it was. It's connected. Now if you receive a phone call here, you pick up and you talk with this one on your ear and your mouthpiece here. And let me do just that. I'm gonna call myself from this other phone, and I'm gonna try to hang this on the microphone here that I'm recording, so you will hear the quality of this phone. Let me do just that really quick. And right now I'm going to call this phone. I'm gonna try to hang this part here on the microphone so you can hear me talk from the other room. So let's try that. And right now I'm talking to you from the other side of the house, from the other phone, through that piece of phone that you saw right there. And I hope you, as I can hear it, through the main microphone. And yes, this was a fun project, and let me go to the studio. And now we are done with the project. And here's the phone on the middle. Here's the connected part of it, the cable, which to me that's one of my favorite things on them. And let me close this one up. We don't need it. We don't need any of these actually now. And this was the phone that I wanted to show you, or the device I should say. I'm not sure if it could qualify for a phone. It's more like a headphone receptor, may I dare to call it. I don't know what to call it, but this piece is just beautiful, and it just connects to your phone. It's something very, very amazing. Just like that. And with that said, I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something. And I wish I could tell you what company makes this one or where to head to buy this one. But I just found it on a store randomly, and used. And I just could not pass on it without buying it and sharing it with you guys. And I've since enjoyed it actually, especially here when I'm sitting and working. I no longer pick my phone and put the whole phone in my ear. I answer the phone there and pick this piece to my ear. And it's been a breeze. It's been a breeze. And with that said, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye!